Math Standard 8.EE.B.5. And this graph shows a proportional relationship between the distance traveled by team on a road trip and the number of hours for which he traveled. So this is the graph. So for the y-axis, alright, so we have the distance by miles. Then for the x-axis or x values, we have the number of hours. Which statement identifies the correct slope and the correct interpretation of the slope for this situation? Now, the output is a straight line that passes through the origin or the middle point. Alright, 0 on x, 0 on y. So this graph is proportional. Now, if the relationship is proportional, we use the formula m equal to y over x to determine the value of the slope. Alright? Now, if we will apply this concept here using this graph, the y represent the distance, and then the x represent the number of hours. Alright? So, we can use this one for the rate. So this will be distance for the y-axis by miles, alright, over the number of hours. Number of hours. So distance over time. Alright, so we need to know this information. So let's say I will get this point right here where the value of x is equal to 1. So the coordinate is 1 on x and then 50 on y. Alright, so this will be your x, this will be your y. If I will use this formula y over x, this is equal to 50 over 1. Alright, so this is your slope. Alright, the value of your slope or the unit rate. Alright, it means 50 miles per hour. Alright, so let us check which of this is the correct answer. The slope of the line is 50 over 1, which is correct. So the distance traveled by team is 50 miles every hour. So I think this is the best one. Alright, let's check the second one. The slope of the line is 50 over 1, the same thing. So the distance traveled by team is 1 mile every 50 hours. So this one doesn't make any sense because again, the rate is distance over time, y over x. So the best answer here is letter A. Alright, so don't forget, y over x. In this given problem, the rate is distance over time.